Open page number. Father's home into father's room, where that which room was continuously closed and locked after the death of Sadao's father. सदाओ के पापा के मरने के बाद से वह रूम कॉन्टिन्यूसली लॉक रहता था, बंद रहता था. वही रूम ऐसा था जिसमें उसे वे छिपा सकते थे. दे कुड हिड दैट प्रिजनर. दे कैरिड हिम इन दैट रूम. Hannah, what did she slipped the all curtains of the window panes etc. so that no one could guess or could come to know that who was inside. She closed the every door, every inch of windows, door etc. And more than this, Hannah made wrap with the quilt. Quilt is the rajai. रजाई उसे उड़ा दी, रैप्ड कर दी. Other comfortable things were given to that war prisoner, though he was unconscious, but all those things were handed over to him for his convenience. That room was totally filled with each and every Japani things because the father of Sadao was fond of Japani things. He was true patriot for Japan, of his native country. He stood up, she murmured in distress, and then, after wrapping and covering with the quilt, Sadao's wife, that is Hannah, told him that that is the prisoner, was so dirty. Yes, he had better be washed. Sadao agreed. Sadao said yes. He is wrapped in must and dirt and clay, so dirty. So we should make bath him. हमें उसे नहलाना चाहिए. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. And saying so, Sadao asked with his wife for hot water to wash that wounded soldier. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. Hannah said that if you would touch him, that would be unbearable for me. यदि तुम टच करते हो तो वह सहन कर पाना मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन और परेशानी पूर्ण है. We shall have to tell the servants he is here. I will tell Yami now. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. She said that Hannah told her husband that Sadao that you must not touch that. It is unbearable for me. And she was going to call to the servants and they would wash that prisoner. Sadao considered a moment. Let it be so. After thinking for some moment, Sadao said, okay, let them wash him, call them. Sadao permitted. He agreed, you tell Yami and I will tell the others. Sadao said that, okay, तुम Yami को बुला दो, मैं others को बुला देता हूँ. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop and feel his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. But the utter pallor of the man's consciousness face. Pallor, that is the pale face, you can say. Sadao turned prisoner and thus his face came upside as the face to face of the Sadao. And when he saw the face of that person, he found that prisoner's face was withered and had become pale face. And then Sadao tried to check pulse of that prisoner, and after checking pulse, he found that that prisoner was yet alive and needed for the treatment. The heart was yet alive. He will die unless he is operated on. Sadao came to conclusion that if operation would not be held upon the body of that prisoner, then he would surely die. Sadao said, considering the question is whether he will not die anyway, and then thought that if he would not be operated, then whether he would die, then he came to conclusion that yes, he would die. Then he said that operation was necessary for him, and then he would be able to alive. Hannah cried out in fear. Hannah chilla uthi, don't try to save him. What if he should live? Hannah started to cry that Sadao, what was need? to operate him, to make operation, to commit operation over him. If he would die, then what would be? He is the enemy of our country, so don't save him, let him die. Hannah cried out fear, don't try to save him. What if he should live? What if he should die? यदि वह जिंदा रहा तो क्या होगा, मर गया तो क्या होगा, हम लोग के लिए nothing. Sadao replied, he stood gazing down on the motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality or he would have been dead by now. Then Sadao said that no. This man has extraordinary luck. Otherwise, up to what extent this wound is and up to what extent his bleeding had been done. हो चुकी है. Up to this time he must die. उसे मर जाना चाहिए था. लेकिन वह मरा नहीं है. Means he had some extraordinary luck. असाधारण भाग्य, बहुत ही किस्मत वाला है that he is living. And after operation he would surely live his life. वह जिंदा हो जाएगा, अपना जीवन जिएगा. He would not die. Means as a doctor, being a doctor, it was his profession, it was his morality code of conduct that he must save that person as a human being, not as a patriot of Japan and America. वो कहा कि जापान का देशभक्त, अमेरिका का दुश्मन होकर किसे मारना जरूरी नहीं है. अगर यह असाधारण भाग्य है, यह बहुत लकी है, तब तक जिंदा है, वरना जिस तरह से घायल है, ब्लड बाहर तक तो मर जाना चाहिए. इस तरह से सदाओ ने अपने वाइफ को समझाया, मेड अंडरस्टैंड हर. He would be not now, but then he was very young, perhaps not yet 25. Then Sadao told that his age was near about 25, so it was necessary to commit operation over him. You mean die from the operation? Hannah asked. Yes, Sadao said. Sadao ने कहा हाँ. Hannah considered this doubtfully, and when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. हना थोड़ी देर सोची, लेकिन उसके बाद कुछ जवाब नहीं दिया, तो सदाव फिर टर्न किया, चल दिया. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said, and first he must be washed. Now Sadav has determined to wash him, said that they must do something with that prisoner, otherwise he would lose his life. He went quickly out of the room and Hannah came behind him. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. He was the first she had seen since she left America. Now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. Here he was her enemy, a menace, living or dead. Menace means dhamki, threat. Means in the mind of Hannah, it was going on that since she had completed, means both Sadav and Hannah had completed their study since then, from and up to today, means on that day when that enemy was before them, they had never met with any white man. And Hannah is expecting more than this, that white man who was lying in unconscious state before both of them, Hannah and Sadao, that unconscious person did not have any relationship with other white American persons who were known by them, known by the Sadao and his wife Hannah. यानी सदाव और हना जिन्हें जानते थे, उनसे इस व्यक्ति का श्योरली कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था. एंड मोर देन दिस, जब से वे पढ़ाई छोड़ के जापान आए, किसी से व्हाइट पर्सन से मिले नहीं. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम when that white person was before them after completion of study. Then Hannah is saying that more than this overall, that white person was now, means at that moment lying before them, was nothing more than the menace, that is the threat, dhamki, as an enemy for their country. उनके देश जापान के दुश्मन के रूप में वह व्यक्ति और कुछ नहीं था, जो था वह दुश्मन ही था. इसलिए हना वांटेड दैट ही लेट टू डाई, उसे मर जाना चाहिए, उसे मरने के लिए छोड़ देना चाहिए. और इस तरह से हना सदाव को समझाने का प्रयास करती रही. बट सदाव वाज नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. She turned to the nursery and called Yummy. Finally, nursery, N-U-R-S-E-R, nursery means the room of the children, little kids. छोटे बच्चों का रूम जो था, वहां वे थे. But the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. She entered into the room. Children also came near to her after hearing her voice because she called the yummy. Thus children came to know that mom was near to them. They came close to her and she also started to play with them little bit. And over the baby's soft black hair, she mentioned with her mouth, Yummy, come with me. And then she ordered to Yummy to come with her, to follow her to the room where that unknown person, enemy person was lying. I will put the baby to bed. Yummy replied, he is ready. She went with Yummy into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms while Yummy spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Then Yummy and Hannah both went carrying the little kid of 3 months to the sleeping room, and there they made sleep him on the bed and covered with the quilt. Sleeping kids floor level between. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. Then Hannah rushed towards the kitchen. The two servants were frightened at what their master had just told them, and both servants were doubtful that what their master, that was the Hannah, going to tell them. The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled the few hairs on his upper lips. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man, thus he said bluntly to Hannah. And then old servant told Hannah that, ma'am, that white man was their enemy, and that white man enemy person must not be healed, that is cured off by the sir, that is the Sadav. उस व्यक्ति का उपचार नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि वह हमारे दुश्मन देश से बिलोंग करता है. The white man ought to die. वह व्यक्ति मर जाना चाहिए. First he was shot, then the sea caught him and wounded him with her rocks. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. वह कहा कि वह व्यक्ति को पहले तो गोली मारी गई, दुश्मन है हमारा. उसके बाद इससे भी अधिक हुआ कि वह समुद्र में गिरा और समुद्र ने भी उसे बहुत चोट लगाया और इतना चोटिल किया कि वह बहुत बुरी तरह से घायल हो गया उसके चट्टानों में लड़ लड़ के, और अब वह हमारे कब्जे में है. अगर हम उसका उपचार कर देते हैं तो क्या होगा? देश और सागर, समुद्र, वो दोनों ही हम पे बदला लेंगे, हमें सजा देंगे. रिवेंज ऑन अस. I will tell him with what you say, Hannah replied courteously. हना बोली कि अरे आप ऐसे कह रहे हैं, मैं उनसे बताऊंगी कि जो बूढ़े अंकल हैं वो ऐसे कह रहे थे. He was saying so and so. But she herself was also frightened, but though she was saying so to servant in little bit conversation amusingly, but she was herself frightened, fearful. Although she was not superstitious as the old man was, could it ever be well to help an enemy? But she was doubtful that whether it is good or it was good to help an enemy, particularly enemy of the country. वह यह डाउटफुल थी कि क्या यह सही है कि देख दुश्मन को हम मदद करें, और वो भी जो हमारे देश का ही दुश्मन है. That was impossible for her, very difficult task for her. Nevertheless, she told Yummy to fetch the water. To fetch means to give the water, hot water, and bring it to the room where the white man was. She ordered Yummy to bring hot water to the room where that person was lying. She went ahead and slid back the partitions. Sada was not yet there. Partitions means curtains, पर्दे जो थी उसे स्लिप्ट की, साइड हटाई. Sada was not yet there. Sada was absent there. Yummy following put down her wooden bucket Then she went over to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. Stubborn में होता है. अब stubbornness abstract noun हो गया हठीपन. When she saw the face of that white man, then she became stubborn. That is जिद्दी हो गई, हठी हो गई कि नहीं. No. फिर she would never wash that white enemy man. वो डिसाइड कर लिया, अरे मैं इसको धुलूंगी ही नहीं, चाहे जो हो जाए, whatever consequence might come. I have never washed a white man, she said, and I will not wash so dirty on one now. She is announced before her mistress Hannah that she means Yami would not wash that white man, particularly who was enemy of her country and enemy of all of them. Hannah cried at her severally means harshly, you will do what your master commands you. Hannah said, no, you shall have to do. You would have to do whatever is commanded from the side of your commander, from the side of your master. There was so fierce a look of resistance upon his round dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. After all, if the servants should report something that was not as it happened. Now Hannah herself was feeling that if she would be harsh towards the servants and being angry, that is krodhit, if servants would report to the police authorities, then what would be? They would be arrested by authorities, and thus everything would go against them. Very well, she said with dignity. You understand, we only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn Very well, she said with dignity. You understand, we only want to bring him to his essence so that we can turn him over to as a prisoner. Then Hannah tried to make understand them that she, that is both of them, Hannah and Sadao, wanted to bring him only in his consciousness, that is चेतना में, होश में लाना चाहते थे, and after bringing him in consciousness, they would hand over him to the authorities, police authorities, and thus she tried to console them by saying so. So students, for today I stop here. Your time is being over. Tomorrow again I shall start the same